Let's start off with our top story, which is the Mi e-learning edition, their 14-inch laptop. Very interesting price, but it is pretty much a basic laptop. The interesting thing also is that Mi is a new entrant to the laptop market here in India. They've been doing it in China for a while. But now that they've come in, they really seem to be in a bit of a hurry to make sure they get their portfolio right. In fact, there is a rumor that lots more coming in this particular category from them. But what do you get for a 35,000 rupee laptop? And how is it when you actually compare it to the competition? Well, this is pretty basic. I mean, it's not too bulky, which is great because most laptops in this 25 to 35,000 rupee market are usually very bulky and quite ugly. This is good looking. Screen is okay, nothing to write home about. Ports are all there that you want. Battery life is fine. The processor is an i3, so you're not really going to have a rocket in your hand. You're not going to be editing 4K video on this. But I think for everything else besides doing some heavy duty tasks, this is a pretty good option.
Xiaomi successfully created a solid buzz ever since it entered the PC market with its lineup of Mi notebooks. Recently, the tech giant decided to expand its portfolio with Mi Notebook 14E Learning Edition. Keeping the ongoing pandemic in mind, Xiaomi is pitching the new laptop as a worthy companion for students and professionals who spend the majority of the day interacting with their PCs. With Xiaomi offering this laptop at a very competitive price of Rs 34,999, we're excited to see what this machine can do. The Notebook 14E Learning Edition has a stunning design. The metallic body looks beautiful and it's very difficult to say that this is a budget laptop. The form factor of this compact 14-inch machine has surpassed our expectations. The lightweight design makes it very easy to hold and carry around. On the left side of the laptop, we get two USB ports, a power port and even an HDMI port. Turning the laptop around, we see another USB port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The absence of a USB Type-C port is a little disappointing. Turning on the Mi Notebook 14E Learning Edition, we're greeted by Windows 10 Home out of the box. Powering the laptop is Intel's 10th Gen i3 processor. Yes, the hardware on this machine is as basic as it can be. That being said, day-to-day tasks like typing, attending video calls, watching content is a breeze on this laptop, all of which we will show you in a while. The laptop boots up in a flash and conveys data in a matter of minutes, all of which is possible thanks to the 8GB DDR4 RAM. Xiaomi offers this laptop with only one storage option, which is the 256GB of SSD storage. Typing on the Mi 14E Learning Edition is really fun. You can type for hours on this laptop without straining your hands. The keys are soft and the travel time between them is satisfactory. You also get a good variety of keyboard shortcuts on the laptop, making your work easier one tap at a time. The laptop does miss out on a backlit keyboard, which is a feature very dear to users. With video calling taking up a large part of our day, it is important that our laptop has a good webcam. The 14E comes with a 720p HD camera inbuilt. Expecting stellar quality out of it won't be fair, especially looking at the price point. The camera is good enough to get the job done and it doesn't lag while you attend those long online classes or even meetings. Watching content on this budget laptop is not half as bad as we expected. The speakers are loud and clear. The 14-inch 1920 by 1080p FHD anti-glare display has great colors. Unfortunately, that's where the media curve for this laptop stops. The presence of Intel UHD graphics 620 GPU doesn't make it a gaming laptop in any way. The baby 3220 mAh battery on board will last about 5 to 6 hours easily. You also get a 65-watt charger with the laptop that can charge the battery up to 50% in a matter of 30 minutes. We decided to put this claim to the test, and it was true. Fast charging in this budget is a sought-after feature, and Xiaomi has done a good job adding it here. To conclude, the Xiaomi Notebook 14E Learning is a great basic laptop. We want to emphasize on the word basic here. You'll be able to do all your basic tasks on it flawlessly. From watching content to writing long emails, you can count on it. But when it comes to heavy usage, then this is not the right choice for you.